I know, right? I ain't got no gold on my eyes, baby. She mad at. Yeah, we on some more stuff. We're going into the new year. We doing some different makeup looks and everything. So today I'm doing a clean girl everyday makeup look. Boom. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Bridgett Harrison, aka Bridgett H. I'm a hairstylist, makeup artist, and content creator. Welcome to my channel, Beauty, Fashion, and Life. Okay, guys, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to prime and moisturize. I've already moisturized my face and I let it sit. Now, what I've learned is I be a little impatient, so I should let things sit a few minutes before I move on to the next thing, because I've been watching few YouTubers. I was like, okay, let me try some of this. So I'm trying some of this today. So I got this from the Sephora event. It's a Milk Duo set, the Hydro Grip and Glow set. So I don't know, on the last video I was like almost out of primer, and this is cute. By the way, this is cute. This could be a dope cosmetic bag, or if you like me, you got a bunch of gadgets. So what came in this duo set is their the Hydro Gel Grip Set and Refresh Spray. So I'm excited to use this. Like, your girl's getting her set of sprays in order. And then I got a big old thing, a Hydro Primer. I like it a lot because I like how it smooths out my skin and evens up the texture of my pores. So today we're using Haus Labs foundation. We're going to use a few of their products. I kind of like if I'm using one of the products, if I have multiple, I try to use them all, depending. So Lil Pookie Nail just drove through here with their music up. I can't say Lil Pookie Nail because I be hearing my music up, but dang, somebody just drove through here with their music up loud. Like, so back to the videos. What I was saying was I'm using Haus Lab foundation. My foundation color is A42. And this foundation is like a skin-like foundation. And what I'm doing, I'm just gonna continue to build my coverage until I get it where I want it. It matches my skin for the most part, and I'm loving how this looks. So now that we've done that, we're going to go in with the concealer. So this is my first time using Haus Labs concealer. I ended up getting the color 23 light medium golden. So y'all do know we be in Sephora like swatching and stuff. I was in Sephora for a minute. So this concealer is long wearing, it's medium coverage, it's natural, and also has niacinamide. It has niacinamide in it, and then it's known to brighten and boost the skin hydration. Now at first I was like, this kind of bright, but I like my under eye to be light because your girl's getting older, and you know, if it's really dark or whatever, it be making me look old. So I like a good under eye lighting. Okay, so I'm gonna apply just a smidget more. So what I can tell you that it blends really nice. This is a nice blendable concealer from putting it on, and it's, well, I know if it's buildable, but it blends out really nice. It's not like a heavy coverage, and it feels really light up under my eyes and on my face. It's blended. I'm liking it. It's like, it's concealer. It's not a very thick concealer. If you like, oh my God, like say, if you had like, if you had spots, like say you have like beautiful skin, but you have spots you want to cover, you can get the same color of your skin complexion, possibly, and use this to cover, and it still gives you like a skin-like look without putting foundation and stuff all over your face. Or if you just had dark circles or something like that, I'm thinking I have to play with this more, y'all. This is my first time using it. I ain't finna lie to y'all. Like, I gotta play with it, put it on, wear it, take some pictures, make sure you got no black. I'm all raccoon looking up under the eyes, but we're gonna go on past this. So now that I've done that, today I'm going to skip my bronzer, like my bronzer cream, because sometimes I just want to make these videos simple for y'all. Y'all, when I'm at home doing my makeup, sometimes I don't really use that as much. I like to just kind of go in with my powder. So what I'm about to do is use this Milk Hydro Grip Refresh Set Spray before I put any powders on my face. I'm shaking it up. It looks like it has some good stuff in here. It's all oily and things. It smells good. I'll make sure I watch that because I don't need my hair rolling up. Like, baby, it was raining the other day. Look here. Baby, I got in the car. I had a little afro. We don't want that. So I need to let this sit and dry down before I do anything. Y'all don't watch this. While I was over here waiting a while ago, I don't watch this video. Somebody posted something about Chipotle, like $6. I was like, now I want some Mexican food. Now I want a Chipotle bowl. So we've done that. Now we're gonna go in with our powder. So the first thing I'm gonna do, before I set anything up under my eyes or anything, because I don't have an issue with creasing like that, I'm gonna go in and warm my face up with the Sephora Micro Finish. Did I say it right? No. With the Sephora Micro Smooth Crowd. I'm going to go in and warm my face up with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder, number 75 Hazelnut. I'm gonna use this NARS brush that's on its last leg. This is how you give your skin balance. Like if you put on your foundation is kind of off or your concealer is kind of off, or if you be like, oh, this is a tad bit too bright. Once you come in and use your powders to warm your face up, it really helps with giving balance, because I definitely want my eye to be brighter. So I don't want an even flat face. I don't want that. I can tell you that. And the goal for me is I'm really working on bringing my contour up. So I'm gonna lay this powder up here, because normally I would start here. But when I, no, it brings my face in. Y'all know I've been talking about my face. So I'm gonna go back, and I gotta watch my hairline. Let's see. Yeah, because when I smile, yeah, I need that like up here. And if it ain't right, yeah, we'll talk about it. And you see, like, I didn't have to put any creams or anything on my face. And this right here is just me setting my guideline. Like, y'all don't judge me. That's a hairstylist thing. I set my guideline, now I go back. So now I want to go around my hairline. Y'all, my skin feels really good. Like, it feels good. This primer and foundation is really working good together. So you can see, like, this still is my highlight, and then this is blending. And that's what I want. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in my nose, and I like using the M433 brush, which is a Morphe brush, because this brush, it pretty much lays the powder exactly where you want it. And I like to take it up into my eyebrow also. Y'all see how that, like, look, it just looks like skin. And then everything I've done so far is like a natural highlight, and just work my way down. Now, am I trying to change the shape of my nose? I'm not. I just wanted to buff out my contour some. So now we're going to move on to our powders. Then before I put any loose powder on my face or anything like that, I'm going to use the Sephora number 35 bronze in the Micro Smooth, their Micro Smooth collection. Like, y'all, this is like one of my favorite things to use up under my eyes. I just like this. And this is going to set my concealer. I like using this brush because this is a NARS brush. It just goes right up under your eye, and it puts the product right exactly where you need it. And what I'm doing, I'm gonna put this everywhere I put the concealer. So next I'm gonna go in with my bronzer from House Labs, and we're gonna put the bronzer on. And pretty much we're just gonna go over where I warmed up my face earlier. And this is, what is this? Deep Level 10. Y'all, I love like when my skin looks like this. This is just like so freaking cute and amazing. Amazing. Everything is so amazing and so freaking cute. I'm going to mix Chanel's number 20 loose powder with honey from Laura Mercier. Like, I'm gonna mix those together because I love Chanel's loose powder, but I also think sometimes, like, if I let it sit too long, it can be a tad bit too much. And if you go down too far, just get your brush with your warm product on it and buff it away. I told y'all today we're going for a more matte look. Yeah, that's what we're doing. We're doing something real different. More so different for me. All right, y'all. So I follow Tamara Renee. Now, I don't know if y'all follow her or not. If you don't, go check her out. I drop her ad. Tamara Renee like does the most awesome matte eye. Eyes just be matte. It just be very simple, very easy. She stay in her Soft Glam Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So what I'm doing today is I pulled out Anastasia's Beverly Hills palette and I pulled out Patrick Ta because they both have like really, really, really dope matte colors. Now I want this to be like a Soft Glam. I don't want it to be like too much, but I just wanted like a matte look. I got some cute lashes that should go with the look, and we could just go from there. And this Soft Glam palette would be the color I would definitely start with. So we're gonna start with Sienna from the Soft Glam palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Y'all, this girl lives in this palette. I be like, dang, her makeup look good. Like, she made me, baby, I did my makeup one night and had some Jackie. Like, I was like, let me go pick these Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes back up. And that's exactly what I did. So what I like to do is, I like to start like right at my brow bone and work my way around. Like, I go from the corner to the middle and then go from the brow bone to the middle. And I like to put this on and blend it at the same time, which sometimes could take a little time to get where you're going. Now I'm gonna come in, I'm gonna get a flat brush, and I think I'm gonna use orange soda on my lid. Like right in here, where it's already light. It should be perfect, I hope. And pat it on. And it's just, I want to put it like right on the ball of my eye. So I'm not trying to go into the corner or any of that. I just want it to be like right on the ball of the eye. And then I'm come back in with Sienna and blend it some more, because I don't want it to wash into Sienna. Oh yeah, this is cute. Okay, Bridget. Okay, girl. Like, yes. I'm really digging this eye. Like, it's cool, it's simple. I use one eyeshadow palette. I use Anastasia Soft Glam. So then I'm gonna come in with my Rare Beauty black liner. And I wanna stay as close to the waterline as possible. I don't want a wing or none. I just wanna intensify my eye just a smidgen. I'm taking a flat brush and I'm blending and smudging this liner into the eye. So I'm going to take the black, it's called Noir, in the Soft Glam palette and use it to set the liner. I'm using Benefit Brow Pencil 3.75. Now I call myself shaping my brows up today. Y'all pray for me. Now what I like to do is outline the brow. Once I outline the brow, I just go in and fill it in. All right, child, so we're gonna try to make these bad boys look like sisters.
I'm trying.
The way my brows are set up, I don't know. I'm going to go in with the Deep Caramel Camo Concealer by e.l.f. And I'm gonna use a flat brush and I'm just gonna take a smidgen. I'm gonna start with this right eyebrow. And now I'm just gonna take the concealer, clean the brush off, and pull that concealer down and blend it into the eyeshadow. And this is like the easiest way to clean your brows, especially if you have extra hairs or anything. Now that I have my lashes on, I was like, you know what? Even with this look, I think I should go in like with the brown or something under my eye. I'm gonna go up under with Mulberry. I'm using the same palette on the side shot. I'm gonna mix Mulberry. This is Mulberry and Sienna. I'm gonna mix those together. I'll take my M506 brush and blend that. Soften it up. It's giving what I was looking for. Very clean, very simple. But I'm used to having something in my waterline, so I'm just gonna go and hit it with the black liner. Now I'm gonna use Infatuated blush, and we're gonna see. Oh no, that's kind of orange. Oh, I was like, oh no, this is kind of orange, baby. It was like, yeah, orangey nut. It's giving. Y'all know Artist Couture, somebody bless me. My friend gave me these palettes, y'all, and I really, really like them. Like, can y'all send me some more stuff? Ooh. This is what she's trying to do. Very clean. This is like straight, like clean girl makeup. Now we're about to set our face with a Milk Hydro setting spray. I wanted a matte look. I wanted something simple. I wanted something clean. I want to do something different so I could give you guys a variety, because you know, I be like, I like dewy. But you know, everybody don't want dewy skin. And this is dope, and it's gonna be cold and stuff, so you know, I don't know. And it might work and it might not work, but I'm liking this, and I'm actually fixing to go get me a wing or two or something to eat. But I'm really feeling this look is simple. I used one eyeshadow palette. I didn't use that many products. Well, I did and I didn't, but I really like how it came together, and this is actually the look I was going for. And I'm mad at that. It's the same as if I had my highlight. The only thing, like, because I had my face so light here, I didn't really need like a highlight. So if you don't like wearing highlighter, and then even if you're going to work with something that's highlight is too much, you could use your powder that you sit with to highlight and open up your face. And this is just a cute look. It's giving. It's got cold here. I'm like, oh, I need to cut the heat on. I can't cut the heat on because I'm filming. But thank you guys. Thank you for this clean girl, soft, clean girl, everyday makeup look. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. And also follow me on our social media platforms at Bridgett H Beauty, BRIDGETTH Beauty. Bridgett H Beauty. And if you just want to see makeup videos from me and that's it, make sure to text makeup, M-A-K-E-up, and makeup to 972-433-9907, 972-433-9907. If you just want to join the community, join. If you just would like to join the community and catch everything that I'm giving, just text Bridgett H Beauties. If you like to join the community and catch everything I'm giving, if you like to join the community and get everything I'm giving, then the description. If you like a text for everything I'm doing and just being to know outside of just makeup, you want to be like, oh, Bridgett, I want to see that vlog too. You know what I'm saying? Then text Beauty Babes to 972-433-9907. It's in the description. Everything will be linked in the descriptions. Y'all, this was fun. It's different. Like, look, we stepping our makeup game up. You know, Bridgett got goals. Bridgett got goals. She got stuff. Can't do the same color, same look. And I enjoyed this matte color. And shout out to the other YouTubers, TikTokers, and stuff that be glammed up, because I was inspired. I was definitely inspired. Thank you guys. Until next time, I'll talk to you sooner than later.